Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Trying a couple things new. I'm trying my uh, GoPro, see if I can get a good video on that. I don't know. I've never used it before. Couple things I'm working on. I'll be the first to admit when I make a mistake. My filament sensors, they just didn't work. What I did is it detected filament movement. Well, to get it to work reliably, I had to change it to about 35 millimeters. So what would happen, it would have to go 35 millimeters before it would declare a problem. And I just was getting too many false positives. And so anyway, I went back to just a normal switch. And I've modified all these. It was pretty easy to change, but I've had a lot better luck with this. So I've got all of the printers back to just a filament switch, simple setup. The other thing I'm working on now is I saw an interesting project. It's a clock. So that's what I'm working on now. I'm trying to build a clock. I'll put a link to it, but it's going to be interesting to see if it works or not. Well, thanks for watching. I'm going to keep updating this. But any questions or comments, leave them and I'll try to answer.